Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 2nd to the 5th of October 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. 3 things to watch this week: the Fed, US non-farm payrolls and the ECB. Firstly, Fed Chair Janet Yellen is due to speak again this week. After signalling that it still intends to raise rates in December, the Fed is keeping itself in the market sights here, with Chair Janet Yellen due to deliver a speech at a community banking conference on Wednesday. Her comments will be monitored very closely for any new insights on policy. Last week, Yellen said the central bank plans to continue gradual rate hikes despite broad uncertainty about the path of inflation. Another news item to watch this week is, of course, the non-farm payrolls, the US unemployment report. The US Labour Department will release its September non-farm payrolls report at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday. The consensus forecast is that the data will show jobs growth of just over 100,000 this month, slowing from an increase of 156,000 in August as the impact of Hurricanes Harvey and Irma are felt. The unemployment rate is forecast to hold steady at 4.4%, but most of the focus will be on the average hourly earning figures, which are expected to rise 0.2% after gaining 0.1% a month earlier. We also have the ECB President Draghi speaking this week. The European Central Bank President Mario Draghi is due to deliver opening remarks at the inauguration of the ECB Visitor Centre in Frankfurt on Wednesday. Staying on the central bank front, the ECB will publish the minutes of its September 7th policy meeting on Thursday. Draghi indicated last month that the ECB could start tapering its massive stimulus program as early as October. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll talk you through our trade idea of the week. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. This week, I would watch gold very closely, particularly on Friday's non-farm payrolls, which can be very lucrative for the precious metals, and we could see some explosive moves from that data. Right now, gold is trading at $1,272 per ounce. It has now resolved the overbought condition over the month of August, where it broke out to 1-year highs and breached above $1,350 per ounce. Subsequently, we have seen a corrective move lower. Big catalyst for that was the September FOMC statement where the Federal Reserve signaled that they would increase interest rates in December. That is where we saw gold break back below $1,300 per ounce. We've seen the US dollar stage a recovery, and gold priced in US dollars has subsequently continued this move lower over the last 2 weeks here, now trading at $1,272 per ounce. And in fact, we broke through a key level of support again last week at 1,290. So what should you look out for this week on gold? We'll break it down in terms of 2 trade opportunities that we see on gold over the course of this week. So right now, with gold trading just at $1,273 per ounce now, it is weak and vulnerable to further downside. It has broken through some key support, and I would be looking first of all for a retest back down to $1,265 per ounce. If that level doesn't hold, we've then got clean air for a move back down to $1,250. So there is the potential to short gold here or sell it into retracements higher. So rallies to be sold into. It is noteworthy that the net long positions from funds over the last week for gold have reduced again here, and right now we continue to see liquidation on positions on gold, and last Friday was the last day of the trading month in September, and we continue to see momentum to the downside right into the close, and I suspect we'll see a little bit more downside before prices will then get supported. So from a trade idea point of view, we can look at further weakness here short term, taking the price back down to $1,265 and possibly $1,250 below that. Be aware that circumstances can change also very quickly for gold on geopolitical risk. So if we do see geopolitical risk intensify between North Korea and the USA, that is where gold can very quickly get a bid anywhere between 100 to 200 points higher. The other trade idea I would look at here is the potential to retest $1,250 per ounce, which will be the next key support level below 1,265, and over the last year has provided a significant level of both resistance and also support. I would see $1,250 as a very significant level here for gold. It would also marry up with a retest of the 200-day moving average. So if later on in the week, and particularly going into non-farm payrolls, gold was to retest that level, I would be looking for gold to reach an oversold condition around $1,250 per ounce. Watch it on lower time frames to see if it does get a bid at those levels, and if it does, it would likely represent a good risk to reward to take advantage of a retracement higher. So essentially short term, we're looking at the potential for gold to retest $1,265 to $1,250 per ounce. If it comes as low as $1,250 and that marries up with Friday's non-farm payroll, and we see gold get supported on that data or after that data, we could see the potential for a rebound from these levels and look for a retrace higher, as gold will be significantly oversold by the time it gets to those levels. So two trade ideas at the moment. Short-term momentum, we're looking for more downside on gold here, but if we were to get a retest back towards $1,250, we'll be monitoring on lower time frames for the potential to catch the retrace higher. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included gold, oil, soybeans and also Bitcoin. Gold last week continued weakness after more hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve, and we've continued to sell into breaks of support here, banking 175 points profit on our sell short. Oil last week continued to drive higher, up over 20% in the last quarter, and we caught the breakout trade here for 200 points profit. We also saw the grains get well supported over the last week, taking advantage of a continuation pattern here, banking 250 points profit on our long position. And finally, Bitcoin, after reclaiming back above $4,000 last week, gave us a lovely breakout trade for 380 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.